Want to know how to understand mains in Java? So, today we are talking about the main method in Java. So, the usual public class main method that we usually use. But what is it about and what it means? So, every Java program starts execution from the main method. Its signature is always public static void main string and with a bracket arguments. So let's break it down. So public means it's accessible from anywhere. So as you can see, public right here. So it means it's privacy. So if you keep it private, it will become private. So static means it belongs to the class and can be called without creating an object. So void means it doesn't return anything, and main or string argument is an array of strings for command line arguments. So whenever you run a Java program, the JVM looks for this exact method to start executing your code. It's the heart of every Java application, and understanding this is the first step to mastering Java programs. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.